Wow, friends! Lawmakers in Congress have confirmed that changes will be made this year to Social Security to benefit millions of senior citizens and Social Security recipients. Monthly benefits will be increased even more this year to help with the rising inflation and continuing of this crisis. Friends, there's a lot of good news to share with you, so please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn about all of the details if you receive Social Security benefits. Also, do share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. And if you're interested in entering next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, where I will be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please do listen for the key word.
I want to thank many of my colleagues who worked on this. Senator Klobuchar, who was here, Senators Wyden, Murphy, Cortez Masto, Bennett, and Kelly. Senators Shaheen, Hassan, and Smith for their leadership on insulin. The price from insulin will go down from $600 an injection or a dose to $35, whereas where it should always have been if we would have had proper laws in place. And Senator Sinema has told me she supports this agreement, so I think we're there. It's not everything we all wanted. Many of us would have wanted to go much further, but it's a big step in helping the American people deal with the price of drugs. And finally, Senator Wyden has done years of work on this issue.
In late 2021, seniors on Social Security received some pretty good news that their benefits would be going up by nearly 6% in 2022, representing the largest raise in decades. Meanwhile, the start of 2023 has brought about severe spikes in inflation, and that could set the stage for an even higher bump in benefits come 2023. So friends, it has just been announced that the Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers rose 7.9% on an annual basis, marking its steepest annual gain in over 40 years. So if this trend persists, then seniors on Social Security could see their benefits rise even more next year. This year's 5.9% COLA is a great thing for millions of seniors. However, many beneficiaries are already losing buying power because the rate of inflation is outpacing their COLA. Now friends, I know that many of you are wondering how much relief will be provided if inflation continues to rise. Well, this is according to CNBC News. If high levels of inflation persist, seniors could end up seeing a COLA in the 7% range during the year 2023. Medicare costs have been rising steadily, and that's done a good job of eroding COLAs in recent years. If Medicare Part B premiums increase a lot in 2023, seniors could end up in a serious financial crunch, even if their COLA is extremely generous. That could push the COLA lower than the current estimate. Price moderation could provide relief for retirees and other seniors who are grappling with high consumer costs. Average retiree benefit is currently around $1,564. According to the Senior Citizens League, as of March, the benefit would need to be $1,698.50 to keep up with an 8.6% year-over-year increase. To date, there is a total of $107.90 shortfall in benefits for the average retiree, and this is based on the Senior Citizens League's calculation. Friends, that is why many lawmakers are now supporting a new plan that would provide millions of beneficiaries with much needed additional financial aid. House Democrats have officially reintroduced a Social Security reform bill popular with their party. This time, it features some changes aimed at attracting more support from Republicans. The bill, which is known as the Social Security 2100 Act, is being brought forward by Democratic Representative John Larson, who is the chairman of the House Ways and Means Subcommittee on Social Security. Richard Neal urged lawmakers to offset the concentration of wealth, which has become more prevalent in the United States, by embracing this Social Security proposal and extending the expanded child tax credit. So the new version of the bill follows the Social Security Administration's latest estimates that the trust funds that support the program will be depleted in just 13 years. And at that time, which is in the year 2034, only 78% of promised benefits will be payable. The bill proposes extending that date to 2038 to provide Congress more time to come up with a long-term solution to the program's solvency issues. This measure would also incorporate proposals made by President Biden during his presidential campaign. The new bill combines Biden's proposals with House Ways and Means initiatives to expand and enhance Social Security benefits. Friends, the keyword for this video is Jupiter. If you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below each keyword from each video of mine that you watch. And please also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Just like Biden's plan, the Social Security 2100 Act would set a higher minimum benefit for low-income workers. The benefits would be set at 125% above the poverty line and also tied to current wage levels. There's also a benefit boost for both new and existing beneficiaries, amounting to about 2% of the average benefit. Annual cost of living adjustments would be tied to the Consumer Price Index for the elderly. The argument is that this experimental index may better reflect the cost that seniors face these days. President Biden also included this change in his Social Security proposals. Notably, the Social Security 2100 Act, proposed in 2019, had more than 200 co-sponsors, though all were Democrats. So far, lawmakers indicated that the new version of the bill has already drawn a similar level of support, which is great news, friends. So my friends, do you agree with me that monthly benefits needs to be increased for seniors? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you very, very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. The 3 winners of yesterday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway are Linda Davenport, James Bell, and Katrina Britty. Congratulations, my wonderful friends. Please share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.